Top 7 Best Budget 3D Printers 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together the list of options that will meet the need of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or particular use, we have got you covered. For more information, I have put links of products in the description. Make sure to check it out. Like the video, comment, don't forget to subscribe, and let's get started. Number 1. Kitty-Tech X Max. The larger and more powerful bigger brother of the X Pro. For just over $1,000, you get a budget 3D printer capable of printing tougher, more industrial filaments. Firstly, the larger 300x250x300mm build volume means you can print multiple parts simultaneously, or just print much larger models without having to glue or assemble them afterwards. The large print area is enclosed in a strong and heavy metal frame, preventing any other factors or vibrations during printing from affecting print quality. Moreover, as it's enclosed, it can more effectively print tougher filaments like ABS, acrylic, and nylon, and since it can reach higher extruder temperatures, it can also print tougher abrasive filaments like PC and carbon fiber. This makes it a great low-cost 3D printer for rapid prototyping. The 5-inch touchscreen makes for quick navigation, and the ability to print over Wi-Fi significantly speeds up your overall workflow. Overall, it's a great, reliable, cheap 3D printer that offers so much for the price, with quality, reliability, and consistently all in abundance. Number 2. FlashForge Creator Pro / Creator Max / Creator Pro 2. 3D printer manufacturer FlashForge are well known for making some of the best cheap 3D printers of the last few years, including the Adventure 3, Finder Hunter, and now the Creator Pro range. The newest versions, the Creator Pro 2 and Creator Max 2, expand into new territory, IDEX 3D printing. Whereas the original Creator Pro already had dual extruders, they could not move independently. Now on the Creator Pro 2, 2 print heads each feature their own extruder so they can each print concurrently, offering a range of new applications and opportunities. With a minimum layer thickness of 0.1, the Creator Pro 2 is fairly accurate for the price. Owing to the new IDEX 3D printing system, this cheap 3D printer has a slightly smaller print volume than the original Creator Pro. At 200x145x150 though still easily enough for casual printing. The FlashForge Creator Pro is overall a consistent and reliable option for anybody looking for a dual extruder 3D printer. Number 3. Prusa I3 MK3S Plus. This wouldn't be a valid list without including the Prusa I3 MK3S Plus, the most successful and popular printer to emerge from the RepRap philosophy. The Prusa I3 sports a print volume of 250x210x200mm and weighs just over 6 kg. For an extra $300, you can upgrade it with Prusa's multi-material upgrade kit, allowing you to 3D print in up to 5 colors simultaneously. Prusa 3D printers are meticulously designed to be as simple and effective to use as possible, accurate up to a layer resolution of 50 microns. The Prusa I3 is a precise and cheap 3D printer which dominates its RepRap 3D printer competitors. You can either buy the Prusa fully assembled for around $999 or build your own for around $749. Number 4. Anycubic Mono X. For those looking for a low-cost yet powerful resin printer with better quality than the Elegoo Mars range of the standard Photon Mono, the Mono X is the printer for you. Firstly, it has a much larger print area, especially able to print far taller prints, so if you have a tool, prototype, or character to print, the Mono X can handle it no problem. Moreover, the Mono X features a powerful 8.94K screen compared to a 2K LCD on the standard Mono for incredibly crisp and smooth models for overall high-quality prints. The improved Z-axis makes for even smoother prints, and you'll barely be able to spot the layer lines in the model. It prints at up to 6 3x faster than the original Photon printers, so printing larger models is no issue either. Overall, it's one of the best resin printers under $1,000, and a great option as an affordable 3D printer. Number 5. Creality CR10V3, one of the best low-cost 3D printers. There's a reason the Creality CR10V3 keeps popping up in our year-end best of list. Every year it's fantastic. This includes our complete guide to the 20 best 3D printers. This reliable, inexpensive 3D printer made by Creality is a great DIY 3D printer which we personally assembled and started printing on in well under an hour. The original CR10 proved hugely popular, edging out almost all printers in its sub-$500 price range. Since then, a Creality CR10 V2 improved stability with the new triangular frame for better quality printing less affected by vibrations, and the newest edition, the CR10 V3, upgrades to more powerful firmware and switches over to a direct drive extruder. This bargain 3D printer prints layers as thin as 50 microns and offers a huge build volume for the price at 300x400 This great build volume, as well as its good reliability and precision, has made it one of the most popular 3D printers for makers and hobbyists. Number 6. Kidditech X Pro. The Kidditech X Pro is a low-cost dual extruder 3D printer that Kitty believes is perfectly suited for educating students on 3D printing. It can be easily connected to your Wi-Fi to print wirelessly, or you can just plug in a USB. Both beginners and experienced makers will prefer the simplicity the X Pro offers. The large 4.3-inch touchscreen makes navigating printing options and using the printer painless and quick, and the innovative curved metal print plate makes for far easier finish model removal. Easier removal means less scarring to the print when scraping it off the build platform, and therefore better surface quality. Most cheaper 3D printers won't offer enclosed print areas or heated chambers, so the X Pro sticks out for its enclosure. A fully enclosed printing area allows for far better maintaining of temperature while printing, and with keeping the heat in prevents parts from cooling too quickly, leading to warping and cracking. This makes for far better ABS and nylon printing. Number 7. Prusa Mini Plus. Following from the runaway success of the Prusa MK3 versions, their Mini 3D printer version keeps most of the MK3's great features, but in a smaller package and at a lower price, while still keep the automatic calibration, 0.5 layer heights, and up to 200/s print speed. The Prusa Mini Plus can only reach slightly lower extruder temperatures at up to 280 C, restricting the filaments you can print compared with the Prusa MK3's. However, you still have a healthy range of filament options, including PLA, PEC, ABS, SA, and flexible filaments. The Prusa Mini also comes with the magnetic heated and removable spring steel build sheets, making it extremely easy to remove finished prints by bending the build plate. The Mini comes with Prusa Slicer for preparing any SNL files for printing. And if you do have any problems, Prusa's support team are on hand 24/7 to help, via live chat or email. So guys, that's all for the top 7 best budget 3D printers 2022. The links of all products are given in the description, which are updated for the best prices. Subscribe our channel for more videos. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care, bye.